hate everybody before me.
God, I hope I'm before you.
I already hate it.
You're not.
Now, somewhere around verse 3, when I burst into tears, just let it go. But shining light just the other day came into the world in a usual way, but there were planes to catch and bills to pay. He learned to walk well on his way, and he was talking for a minute, and as he grew, he said, I'm gonna be like you. You know I'm gonna be like you. And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man on the moon. When you're coming home, son, I don't know when, but we'll get together, man. You know we'll have a good time, man. My son turned in just the other day. He said, thanks for the ball, yeah, come on, let's play. Could you teach me to throw? I said, not today, I got a lot to do. He said, that's okay. And he walked away and he smiled and he said, you know I'm gonna be like him, yeah. You know I'm gonna be like him. And the cats and the girl and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man on the moon. When you're coming home, son, I don't know when, we'll get together, man. You know I'll have a good time, man. Well, he came from college just the other day, so much like a man I just had to say. He said, I'm proud of you, could you sit for a while? He shook his head and he said with a smile, what I'm feeling like, Dad, is to borrow the car keys. See you later, can I have them, please? And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man on the moon. When you coming home, son, I don't know when, we'll get together, man. You know we'll have a good time, man. I've long since retired, my son's been away. I called him up just the other day. I'd like to see you if you don't mind. He said, yeah, find the time. You see, my new job's a hassle and the kids are the flu, but it's sure nice talking to you now. It's been sure nice talking to you. And as I hung on the phone, it occurred to me, he'd grown up just like me. My boy was just like me. And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man on the moon. When you're coming home, son, I don't know when, but we'll get together then. You know we'll have a good time, man. And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man on the moon. When you're coming home, son, I don't know when, but we'll get together then. Yeah, you know we'll have a good time then.
All right. Thank you, Greg. On the mic next is Amy.